Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm back with another video. This is SE Travellers and I am with my dad right here, and we've got an Elysian 27, and I've been helping my dad with the bathroom and everything else we could name out. So we're going to be doing a boat tour. So as we come up here, this is like a little or a medium-sized decking for us to sit around, look at the wonderful lake. So this is how you get onto the boat. It's about the safety things, but before we do that, I'm going to show you around. So over here we've got a nice light. So when we get on, we have to do the safeties. So we've got the single glazed windows, and we've got the ropes. So when we tie it up, it keeps the boat safe and sound. And we've got a front light, which also helps see in the dark. And then we got the British Waterways with the number next to it. I think that the first set of the numbers, meaning the year, or I'm not sure what it is exactly, but I'm going to be getting onto this boat. So we've got the seats right here, extra large room. So we've got a nice seat here and a steering wheel to turn the boat on, but you would have to turn it on from the what do you call it?
The river valve.
Yeah, the river valve. So we have to turn it on number 2. So we're going to get on, well, my dad's going to get on now, and we're going to show you the first room. So we've got the bathroom right here with the table and chairs underneath, but you can make it as a bed. So as my dad comes in, we've got the kitchen with a cooker, with a kettle, with some cups. We've got a remote as well for the TV. And then we've got a lovely sink, newish sink I would say. And then we're going to take you into this room, which is a bedroom. So you can fit 2 people to sleep in here. So one person can sleep this side, another person can sleep this side. And my dad will be sleeping in here. We've got a sink here as well, which you don't want to miss out. So if anyone wants to get a boat or anything, they are cheap prices, but please be careful what you buy. And then as we're going to come into here, got a nice bathroom and toilet. So the toilets are different, so you would have to lift up the seats, open this up, then you can go to the toilet and then you start peeing when you need to, but depends. And then you put that, but before you close this, you have to pull this up and then wash out the pee and stuff, which is a good thing, so it cleans the toilet. And then you put some extra little bit of liquid in there just to clean it, and we close the toilet seats. And then we got, it's a little bit tight, but got a shower right here. So got a little shower, which is a new one, really good. Got the taps here as well. It's all connected, so it's brand new. And then last thing I've got to show you is the table and chairs and the sleeping bag. So basically you can make it into a bed, and we've got a sleeping bag here. So
just go on top, sir.
So basically you can just basically sleep here like this, watch some TV, anything. Got a chargeable plug socket right here, which is very useful. And we got a fire blanket.
Did you do that, Scott?
Yes, I did, and did the plug socket. It turned out really good. I'm proud of myself for it. I've got a fire blanket as well, just in case if there's emergencies. And yeah, so this is. So also, one more thing before we end the video.
What's that, an outside socket?
This is an outside socket, so you can plug in your plugs or whatever you want to plug in, just so you can charge your phone. And yeah, so we're going to end the video here. Please like, subscribe, comment down below in the description what you want me to do next.